Peace, everyone. Welcome back to Giganomics, and this is part 3 of our senior errand build. In part 1, we created the service agreements. In part 2, we build your booking and ordering form. Today, we turning those into a professional app that your clients can use on any phone, and it's going to be complete with a product list, express checkout, a customer portal, testimonials, and a new feature, Track Your Sidekick. And we also got a QR code you can put on flyers, call magnets, or storefronts. Let's jump into it. All right, so in your JotForm dashboard, one of the ways you could do this using the forms that we already built to create your app. You're gonna click on all the forms you built. These is both of my service agreements. Mine's is all on one page, okay? You got 2 separate pages. You're gonna click on both of yours and your booking form. You don't have this form, but I'm gonna show you how to make it, show you how to make this form, and I'm gonna show you how to make this form. All right, that's all we need. So now that we got the forms we're gonna use, let's click on Create New App. Okay, so we're going to build this one a little different than what we did with the forms. Last time we worked on with the logo. We gave it a title. Up here, if you want, you could give your app a title name. Just click on it, and you can name it. Okay. I'm gonna keep this name right here. All right. Let's build our app. So let's click on the app header, show background. We're gonna take that off, and that's under style. Go back to general, show app header. We're gonna cut that off. Now, if you want to add an app header, you're gonna come right there, your title and your description. Upload your logo, make it bigger, or you could use the icon. Search different icons, whatever match your business. So for an example, whatever icon you want to use, if one of these match and you don't have your logo, you just use one of these. And also, you're gonna use these icons to pop up on your customer splash screen. So go back in general, show app header off. All right. So I'm not using a logo for mine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload an image that I have with my logo on it. So you can come to image, drag it, drop it in. So now let's go in properties, choose a file. So if you already uploaded images, just go to my images, and all the images you uploaded will be there. You could drag and drop one in, or you could enter a URL. I already have images, so I'm going to pick the one I want, which is basically my logo. Yes, you select it. And as you see, you don't see no words here. And that's because this background list here is white, and my words is white. All right, so what we're gonna do is, let's change it. But look how it's coming together. All right, let's change it. Go into the paintbrush, app design, this background color. Go to the dock, and I'll send you this palette. Like, you can't find this palette or this shade in the color options. So I'll send it to you. But paste that in. All right, we're gonna come down here. If you want, you can change the font family. We're gonna click on font color, and we're gonna make it white. All right. So now you notice how these elements, the words disappeared, and that's because we made the font white. So now click on these, go into properties. All right, style, element style, click on it. And you could choose these styles if you like. You just click on it, and that's what it is. Whatever color you want. But we're gonna go on customize, background color. We're gonna hit the X to make it clear. Text color, white. Border color, we're gonna use orange. All right. And so now this icon, click on icon here. This is your icon. Which one is, this is the icon color. We're gonna make it the same color as the border. And now the background color, click on it, and we're gonna hit the X. All right. All right, there you go. So this is the start of, this is your home screen. See the app title up there? Remember I told you that's what will show up, whatever icon you put there. We'll change that later. All right, let's go fill these back out. So click on it, properties, style, element style, customize, background color, X, none. All right, text color, white. It's already white. You just got to make sure. Sometimes it'd be like a little off-white. But all right, border color. We're gonna make the border blue. We're gonna click on icon, and we're gonna make it blue. All right, see what we got. Same thing, click here, properties, style, element, customize, background color, X. All right, text color, just making sure it's white. Sometimes it'd be off-white. A border color, we're gonna make this one a little tealish or green color. We're gonna click on icon, make it the same color. All right, click here, properties, style, customize, background color, X. And you'll see here in a minute why I'm making these backgrounds clear. So basically making them transparent. All right, border color. Let's go with pick, and you can pick whatever color you want. You don't have to follow mine. I'm just picking colors. Icon, make it the same color. Boom. Same thing. Click here, properties, style, element background image. So if you wanted an image to pop up, let me show you. So they give you a bunch of images here. These is their images under gallery, upload, or you could use any of your images. All right, so let me show you what it look like. So click on one, you select it, you see? And you could do that for each one if you choose to, or your own image. All right, but we're gonna remove it. Style, customize, background color, X. Border color, what we haven't used yet. Something bright. Let's go. All right, we'll go green. Icon color, same green. All right. Now, go into your paintbrush. You see the app background image. So here, start color, end color. So as your app stroll, you can start with one color, and then eventually it'll fade into whatever your end color is. All right, you can choose different themes here if you like. Here you got list background color. That's what we went into. That's that. You got your font family. You got your font color. We're going into choose a file. We're going into my images, and I'm gonna give this a background image. I'm gonna choose my photo. I'm gonna use selected. All right, let's look at it. All right. It's coming together. See how we made all of those elements transparent? All right, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the image, go in properties, the size here, I'm gonna make it smaller. I like it around 240 by 240. All right. So the action, so you can set it up to where if someone click on this image, you can navigate to a page, you could visit a URL, they can send an email, open a form, they can make a call, or just none. All right, so whatever you want this to do, you can put a link here if you want this to lead somewhere else. All right, general. All right, so I took out some of that room. So now let's come down, go into app elements. Let's get a divider. I'll put the divider right there. All right, next thing I'm gonna get is a link, app element, link. I'm gonna drag it, drop it right here, the top of the border. And so what we're gonna do here is go into properties. You see link title. This would be customer login. All right. So for the link, I know you all don't have this yet, but you can set this up to where your customer can log in. They can log in, they can track their history, they can keep up with everything, they can see past orders. They don't have to, go through your whole app. They can just log in and go straight to what they need or what they're looking for. All right, let's cut that off. Normal, let's go with style, element style. Let's do the same thing, customize it, background, X. All right, border color. Let's make it, I don't know what color. Let's just do white. All right. So you see how you got this whole link here? Just click on it. Properties. Show URL. Cut that off. All right. Now go back into style. You can either search or look through the icons. We're going to lock. We're going to search for a lock. So let's add a lock. You see? So that's our icon now for that. And again, you can add an image if you want. And they got a bunch of different icons you could go through. All right, same thing. If you wanted to add a background image to it, you could. All right, general. And that's it. We can shrink it. We want to shrink it. Let me see. Can you, then you want to go right. So shrink it and move it to the right. Or you can move it center. We're going to shrink it and we're going to move it to the right. Wait, no, I don't like it. It's not coming out right. So, all right, go back in properties. Let's unshrink it. All right, there you go. See, I wanted it to sit on the right. All right, boom. Show you what it looked like. So as soon as they go in your app, they can log in. All right, so next, let's give all these elements, all these here, let's give them a sublabel, okay? So you can go back to your Google Docs, paste in your sublabels. That's what I'm about to do right now. It's gonna be a little silence while I do it, but that's what I'm doing, just pasting in all of my sublabels for these elements here. Now that we got our subheadings in, let's click on it, properties, come down to shrink, click on prepaid, shrink it. All right, shrink it. All right, we're gonna leave these two elements shrink like this. Next, we're gonna go back in the app element and we're gonna add a video. We'll bring it, you're gonna drop it in right under the payment, right under make a payment, drop in your video. And I'm gonna show you how you can make your own video. But basically, this is just a video promoting my business. So once they land on the page, this is basically like a, like an introductional video, just telling them what my business is about. Just a quick promotional video. Once you get your video in there, you come over to the URL right here and you paste in whatever your URL that leads to your video. All right, let's look at it.
Need a helping hand for your loved one in Massachusetts? At Go Senior Sidekick, we make life easier with trusted, non-medical services, from errands and prescription pickups to companionship, tech help, and even home decluttering. Our local sidekicks serve communities across Massachusetts, helping seniors stay independent, safe, and connected. And with our easy-to-use booking app, families can schedule, pay, or even sponsor a senior with just a few taps. Visit GoSeniorSidekick.com, because every senior deserves a reliable sidekick. Go Senior Sidekick, helping seniors stay independent with dignity and heart.
Now we're going to go back and add icons to all these elements here. All right. So click on it, go on properties, and you could type in whatever icon you're looking for. So booking form, let's see what come up. Nothing for booking form. Booking, nothing good. Let's try form. Alright, so we're gonna have to use one of these. Let's click this one. Let's go to prepaid packages. Let's type in prepaid and see what comes up. Alright, no prepaid icon. Alright, let's try package. Alright, let's select this one. Alright, make a payment. Let's type in money. You know they got one for these. Alright, boom. Alright, go senior service agreement. Let's find a check mark, but let's see agreements. Yeah, they go a check right there. Alright, let's use the check mark. Next, we got sponsor a senior. Let's type in, let me see, let's try family. No, alright, let's try a couple. Alright, we can use this one. Alright. So we got all our elements in. Next, let's go into app elements. And we're going to grab this product list. We're going to drag it. Drop it in there. Okay, so now having this product list, it allows your customers just a good clean checkout process. They can put in multiple errands into the cart, and it provides an easy payout straight to the cart. They don't have to go through your whole app. They can just check out. So first thing we're going to do, let's change the title to our services. Alright, and this is where you're going to list all your services, your errands, anything you're doing. Alright, so the first one, click on it, add product. Alright, make sure I'm on this one. Okay, product name. This is your service or your errands. So standard errands, hourly rate. Now price. Oh no, not 20. $30. Alright, next. Let's go to your Google Docs and you can get a description. So let's get this out of here. Paste in your description. Come down. Choose an image, and remember, I already uploaded images, so I have images. Let me see, this is a standard errand, so let's find something to match. What could be a standard errand? Okay, right here. Select it. Alright, same thing, click on it. Let's go to product name, add in your next service or your errand, so product name, pet care. Alright, let's put in the price, $32. Next, we'll get your description, from the Google Doc. So come back over. Oh wait, click. There we go. Get that out of there. Paste in your product description. Alright, choose an image. My images. Select. Use. Select it. Alright. I'm going to do one more. And then I'm going to go over screen and I'm going to finish mine out. And you do the same. So when I come back, our service, this product list will be completed with my services and my errands. But you just go through and it's the same process. Name. Alright, next let's put our price in there. Alright, next go get your description or add your description in. Mine ain't clicking. Okay, here we go. Get this out. Paste in your description. Come down. Choose images. My image. And this is only if you choose to upload images. You can use icons. You don't have to use the images. Alright, you select it. Alright. Let me show you what it looked like. Publish it. Go back into build. It's coming together. It's clean, professional. And they also could search. So, like if you got other services or other products that you got them here and they're not showing, they could search and it'll pop up. Or if you got different products or different services on other pages, they could type it in and it'll pop up. So I'm gonna go off screen. I'm gonna finish this product list, and you come back and do the same. All right. So I got 5 of my services in here. And we're going to do it one more time for the people in the back. Click on it. Add product. Products. Go up there, put in a product name. Your product or your service. And take a note. You see this? This is a flat rate service. The rest of them is hourly rate. Always be transparent. Always be open about your prices. This service is a flat rate. So let's put that price in there. $25. Go get our description. Let's go get an image. My images. These images, again, are images that I uploaded myself. You got to upload your own images if you decide to use images, or you could go with icons. Alright, let's publish it. Bill. Let's take a look at it. Alright, let's play the video. Play the video. You can stroll throughout the app. You can search your product, our services, everything that we offer. All right, it's look good, right? All right, moving right along. Next section, stroll all the way down. So we're gonna stroll to the bottom, go back in App Elements, and we're gonna go to Forms. You may not have these forms. You can create them. I'm gonna leave a link for you to where you can create these forms as well. Speak with a specialist, subscribe to our email list, add forms. All right, they go to Forms. You see the same thing, the elements. Click on it, Property, go into Style, Element Style, Customize, background color, scroll down, hit the X for no color. All right, border color. Let's get something bright down there. Let's go back without color, orange. All right, icon color, orange as well. All right, boom. Speak with a specialist. All right, let's get this icon, properties, style. Come down to icon and search what you're looking for. Let's try speak, just whatever. Oh, nothing. Yeah, spell it right. All right, let's try talk. All right, there we go. That's it, just a phone. Speak with a specialist. All right, so next, you go back to your doc. Let's type in our description. All right. Boom. All right, next, same thing. Click on it. Style, element styles, customize, background color, the red X, clear. Oh, red X. All right. Icon color. Let's change that. Go with something bright again, yellow. All right. Let's do the icon. What is this? Subscribe to our email list. So let's just put in email. There we go. Something like an inbox. There we go. We want to. All right. So next we need. Let's go. Let me see, background color, style. Okay, change style and border color. You see how it's blue? Let's make it yellow. All right, it's coming together. What it look like on somebody's cell phone or mobile. You see the little shopping cart icon. Just let them know how many items or products they have in their cart. It's looking good so far. All right, professional, clean, straight to the point. They're not getting lost. Everything they could possibly need when they come to your app is everything is in the front. They're ready to book, prepaid, make a payment on something, the promotional video, your service agreement, sponsor a senior, or your products, the rest of your services. All right. So in case they don't know why they're here, they don't know why they want to book, they can see what you do. They go your services. All right, next, let's go into App Elements. And here we're looking for a testimonial. All right, drag it, drop it in. Again. So you want to add some testimonials and some details from customers that may help them make their mind up. You know, sometimes a lot of people read reviews and testimonials before they decide what they want to do. All these testimonials is from my actual customers. And what I do is, and I'll show you how to create that link to it. I give all my customers a discount if they leave a review. I'll show you how to create one of those, but I'm going to add all 3 of these testimonials in. And if you got any testimonials, you can do it the same way. All right, so let's get into it. Properties. Click on Settings. Let's get rid of this logo, the JotForm logo, remove. And for this, for the picture, I'm going to use my logo. So come down, let me see. Yeah. You select it. All right. Label. And you could put here either the name of the who left the testimonial, or I don't put too many details. I just put, you know, something simple. Family, sponsor, daughter, child. All right. Then you add in a testimonial, highlight this. And again, these are from real customers, but I left them in the doc in case you want to reword them and use them for yourself. All right, save. All right, same thing. Come down to your second one. Settings, label. Again, this could be a title, who it's from. This is from a senior client, so I'm just gonna put senior client. I'm gonna remove the JotForm logo. I'm gonna choose my own. Again, I'm just adding my logo. You select it. Now I'm gonna paste in my testimonial. All right, hit save. Okay, I'm not gonna add no more than 3. I have a separate link on my website that lists, you know, more testimonials. I guess the more the merrier. The more reviews, good reviews you could get, the better off it is for your business. But I'm just gonna add 3 right here. All right. And from this customer, y'all seen this video. This is from where I delivered to that facility. I got them to leave me a review. All right. My images. Again, my logo. You select it. All right. Save. Oh wait, let me go get the description. I mean, excuse me, the testimonial. All right. Paste in my testimonial. All right, hit the save. All right, let me see. All right, so the speed, let's make it slow. Add quote marks, no. We already added those. All right, is that it? Yep, that's it. Let's see what it looked like. Get the arrow to read all of them. And it'll stroll on its own. Let me go on properties. Let me see something. Oh no, you can't edit it no more. Alright, so now we got our testimonials or your reviews. Next, we're going back into App Element. And we want a button. Drag it, drop it in. This button, we're going to name it, go into properties, button text, view our full site. So if you got a website, this is where you will link it at. So to give the customer more details about your business, or you could leave it plain. You don't have to add this button here, but if you got something else to promote, another site, another link, you could place it here. All right, so this, I just want them to be able to view my full site so they could just see more in depth of what I offer, more in depth of what I do. They could read blogs, they could see more customer reviews. All right, so wherever you want them to go, that's the button action. So when they click the button to view our site, these are the actions of where to go. They can make a call, email, navigate to another page. They can open up a form, or they can share the app. All right, paste your link in there if you're using the URL. Like for an example, which I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna paste in a URL. And the button look dead right. Well, the button looks. All right, paste in the link. All right, let's go to style. Same thing, button style. We're gonna change it, customize it. Background color, same thing, X. Text color white. We're gonna make the border color white as well. All right, we're gonna go back in general. Oh wait, no, not general. Maybe it's styles. Okay, yeah, styles. All right, make it rounded and make it full width. Check it out. All right, next, let's go into, let's add our social following. If you decide to add this element or not, same thing, properties. And here's all the different social media sites you could use. If you got any of these sites, you just paste in your link, and that's what will show up. All right, so icon, I'm going to make them white. And that's it. All right, so next, let's go back into App Elements. Is it a text though? Let me see. Drag a text, drop it in. Okay. Properties. No, I don't think this is it. No, let's get rid of this. All right, so delete that. That was rich text. Okay, so next, let's go into app elements. We're gonna grab a rich text, drag it, drop it in there. All right, click on the pencil. Let's get this out of here. All right, you're gonna paste in your copyrights. All right, highlight it. Let's click on text align, make it center. All right, let's bold it, save it. Okay, hold on, we gotta go back in it. Click on it, highlight it, let's change the color. Let's make it white. Save, boom, there you go. All right, hit publish, excuse me. Back in the bill. And sometimes your app, if it ain't showing, sometimes it do that. You just gotta click here, and there you go. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what you're creating. This is the home page of your app right here. All right, clean, professional. Customers ain't gonna get lost. Straight to the point. You got the customer login. So for your recurring customers, they could just log in right here. They don't have to go, you know, through your whole app or dig through stuff. They could just go straight in and see what they've done, what they have done, keep track of their histories, all in that customer portal. All right, your new customers, your service agreement. Let me see. All right, so you're gonna click on products. See how you got that asterisk there? Store properties. Click on store properties. All right, and this is where they want you to connect your payment gateway. This is just allow where you can make them into 3-column grids or 2-column grids. The checkout page. So you can add, like, this is the customer's information. So you can have their full name, their email address, and that'll be attached to the invoice. All right, express checkout. All right, so let's add that on. Product settings. Let's go in payment. Okay, add your payment connection. Again, I already got mine set up, and you should have yours set up from the last documents. Let's select it, use it, and that's it. I'm connected. I'm ready to take orders. This app is live. I could share it. People could go on here right now, place an order. All right, let's hit publish. Back into bill. And so now that we got our homepage built, let me see. So now that I added my payment gateway, you see this this contact information page comes up, and this is just your details of how the customer can contact you. This information is going to be sent along with to your customer to the invoice. Once they purchase a service or an errand, they automatically will get the invoice for what they paid for, and along with your contact information of choice, whatever you decide to put on that form. All right, so now we got our home page built. Everything is neat, everything looking in order, everything's flowing. All right, so now we're going to give a little bit more detail about ourselves on this app. And honestly, you don't have to. This view our full site could take them to all additional details and information they may need. But just for the sake of the app, I'm going to add some more sections on here. So the first section, we're going to go to add a page. We're going to grab a heading. Drag it, drop it in, and we're going to name this. This will be the About Us section. All right, so we got this on the app and the website. You know, in case someone share the app to someone who don't really know nothing about us. So we're going to have this page on the app as well. Go in properties. All right, about Go Senior Sidekick. Let's go get my subheading. I think they ain't acting right. Click paste. All right, got my subheading in there. And we're not going to fill this out yet. What you would do, it'll be connected to a form. We'll fill the form out. We'll just drag it, drop it up under the About Go Senior, and then it'll automatically lead to About Go Senior Sidekick. All right, let's speed it up a little bit. So the next, add page. Grab a heading, drag it, drop it in there. Oh. All right. And so now we're going to name this one. Place, highlight, legal and safety, okay? And you can follow along on the docs. Go get your subheading, paste in your subheading. All right. Next, same thing, a heading. Oh, wait, excuse me. New page. heading. All right, and we're going to, this page would be your, let's name it this, okay, your frequent asked question page, okay? Publish. Let's go back in the bill. See, so now you got this icon up here, this hamburger, that leads to all your extra pages, okay? So you got your home street. Once they see all they need to see up front, they want to learn more, see more details, see more about your business. What else you got to offer? About Go Senior, your legal and safety, your frequent asked questions, and whatever else you decide to put in there. Let me see, hold on, I got one more I need to add. All right, hold on. About Go Senior, frequent asked questions. All right, let me see, scroll down. Again, add a new page. Heading. Drop it in. And we're going to name this one. This is the Track Your Sidekick. Alright. So add in my subheading now. Alright. So let's talk about this feature I added. Track Your Sidekick. This feature basically lets your clients or their families track you in real time while you out performing their errands. I use a outside platform called TrackPod, and it's actually a professional delivery and logistic tool. I also use it for my cargo van business as well. But the good part, it works perfectly for this because it lets my senior errand clients see exactly where I am and when I'll arrive. They get a live tracking link, just like when you order a package. It also allows me to create a custom portal where clients can log in, check their service history, see updates, and even view proof of completed errands. It's all about building trust, communication, and transparency. So let families feel confident knowing a sidekick is on the way every time. That goes a big way. If y'all want to know more about this software TrackPod, let me know in the comment. And like I said, you could use it for your errand business, your service business, your delivery business, your cargo van business, just a whole bunch of different businesses. But if y'all want a more in-depth review on it, let me know in the comments. All right, so here, click on this little rose thing, and that's your QR code. So now you can share it. You can put it on flyers, car magnets, doors, poles, sockets, wherever you want to put it at. Your customers can scan it, download your app, and it brings them directly to your app. All right, and then you'll be able to save this later on and print it out as well. I'll show you where you get access to it later on, but just in case, right there. All right, again, let's publish it. Make sure we save all our work. All right, so right here, you can click on this pencil. Hold on, let me get it. All right, so when you come back on this publish screen, this is the back side of it. This little pencil, you can click on it. You give your app, and your forms a custom URL slug. So like that's basically going to put your business in it. Unless you upgrade, you're going to still have JotForm, a trademark right there, the app.form. But if you upgrade your account, you could get rid of that. All right. And this is good for like SEO, Google rankings, different little rankings. And we'll get into that later as well. All right. So Go Senior Sidekick, your custom URL slug is saved. All right. Hit the X. All right, so now you back on this screen again. You see it, Go Senior Sidekick, new app. You will alter that. You can change it to whatever you want it to be. And this is how it's going to show up in someone's slug and someone's URL. And when you share it, this is how it's going to show up. So instead of it being just a bunch of random numbers, it looks more professional with your business name in there, all right? So let's name this Go Senior Sidekick app, all right? Something like that, whatever, apply. All right, so now you got your business name in there, your app, and that's going to help with Google rankings, all right, when customers are searching and looking for you. That help your pages get cited and come up. All right, so here they could copy the link, or you could copy the link, and that's one way of sharing it. Here, this just opens up a new tab where you can see it, so you can invite by email. So if you got someone's email address, you put it right there, and this will send them your app. Here's other ways to share it. They go your QR code. They got share your app on Facebook, WhatsApp, X, LinkedIn, or use your QR code. All right. Next, go in embeds. And it's just if you got a website or different little platforms and softwares that let you embed different things, you can embed your app there as well. All right, app users, same thing. You know, we have no users on this form yet. So once people start placing orders and you getting customers, this is almost like you could use this like a customer portal. It just basically give you information about your customer, what service they use, when they used it, they action. So like if somebody just come to your app and they playing around, they not really making an order, they just looking, action, I'll let you know what they done or didn't do. All right, just help you follow up with them. Somebody might have come on and wasn't sure, you can follow up with them. All right, so come back in settings. All right, you see app settings. Let's go in app name and icon. All right, so this is how it's going to look on someone's phone. You can hit edit icon. See what they got in here. I'm going to click on image. I'm going to remove that icon. I'm going to go into my images. What do I want? Okay, I'm going to add my logo. All right. All right, splash screen. So that's how it's going to look. All right, customize it. Background color. Click on it. I'm going to go with orange. See my logo? It's kind of ugly because that's not a transparent background. So let me see. Go in customize. Let's go into edit icon. Remove it. I have an image uploaded that's transparent. This should be it right here. You select it. Or maybe I might have to go in and change the, okay. Yeah, let's go back into splash screen, customize. Let's leave that orange. What is it? What is it? Let me see. All right. Edit icon. Okay, here we go. That's what we was looking for, the colors. All right, so background color. Should I take that off? Yeah, let's take it off. Icon color. We're going to make the icon. Let me see. Let me take that off too, just in case. Because I got my splash screen orange. So let's see. Go back in it. Splash screen. All right, there you go. All right, so let me see if I can make it bigger. All right, no, they don't let you make it bigger. Just when you upload your logo, you got to make it bigger. All right, push notifications. You want to cut that on. When this feature is on, you will receive like a, you know, when they receive an update, see? So here, notification title, of course, that'll be your business name and notification content. So whatever you want to put there, of course, you're going to put. And if you look over here, you can see it, go senior. So let them know who the message is from, excuse me. All right, that'll be the alert title. Go senior sidekick, that's who it's from. And here you can put whatever you want to put. I'm just going to put new message for the sake of it for right now. All right. And there go your push history notification. All right, and here, if you're familiar with AI, you use AI, you can set up a chat box where it'll automatically respond to your customers. It'll be like an AI agent for you. You know, support, automation. You can train it using your own data, and it'll help answer your users' questions, okay? All right, publish. All right, and that's it. That's your app, y'all. All right, let me check it out. Go through, make sure we don't need to add no different settings. All right, nope, that's it. And there you have it. You just built a real working app for your senior errand business. Your clients can book you, pay you, track you, and even sponsor a senior, all from one place. It's clean, professional, and it's ready to share. Drop that QR code on your flyers, your van, your business cards, anywhere you want new clients to find you. This right here is what separates a hustler from a real business. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take it a step further. We're going to be adding a link bracelet, a simple tap and go upgrade that will open your app instantly. And if you want your own app customized or you need some one-on-one help setting up your forms, your payment gateway, or your branding, the link is in the description. But this looks good, right? Now hit the publish. Hit the publish, test it out, and welcome to your new business tool built with JotForms. And remember, JotForm isn't just for booking. Use it for intake forms, care references, recurring schedules, invoices, receipts, incident logs, caregiving, onboarding, feedback, testimonials, and automations. All of that will save you hours of work. You can do all of this in JotForms. If y'all found some value in this video, hit the like, hit the share, leave a comment. And until next time, y'all stay safe, stay blessed, get to your hustle. Peace.